In 2014, in Nigeria, Boko Haram kidnapped 276 schoolgirls. Boko Haram is a violent terrorist group. Boko Haram controls parts of Nigeria. Similar to the Taliban, Boko Haram follows an extreme version of the Islamic religion. Since 2009, the group killed 20,000 people and forced 2.3 million men, women, and children to leave their homes. The kidnapping made people around the world very angry. Many activists wanted to help the girls. Malala Yousafzai and Michelle Obama protested Boko Haram's unfair treatment of the girls using the hashtag #BringBackOurGirls. They protested on Twitter and social media. Other famous people used the hashtag to help the girls. In 2017, the protests forced the Nigerian government to take action. Government leaders made a trade with Boko Haram. The government returned 5 Boko Haram members to Boko Haram. In exchange, Boko Haram gave the girls freedom. The girls returned home to their families. Later, they visited the President of Nigeria, Muhammadu Buhari. Yakubu Nikeki is the uncle of one of the kidnapped girls. He said that he felt happy when he saw his niece Maimuna alive. He said that when she saw him, she ran, grabbed him, and started crying.